Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to look up an existing job order, given that if you know either the job number or part number or company name, you can certainly look up to see if it's already been generated or entered into the system. Okay, from the job order processing menu, you would select look up job orders. Here the job order shows you all the job ever created in the system. You have the option of checking off this radio checkbox to show only active jobs. So either way, I'm going to go back to show all jobs. And currently, as you can see here, in the quick search is searching by company name. But since we know the job number, we can certainly search by job number by using the drop down box here, job number, or you can click on the header of each column. So let's, for example, currently it's sorted by company name. I can click on the job order number column, and you can see it's resorted by job number. And since I know the job number, it's 1048. As soon as you type it in, sure enough, 1048 for control manufacturing, for that part 458976, when it was created, whether it's completed or not. And you can see the status here, completed. If you expand this a little bit, you see it's completed, but you can see it's not, because it's not a Y. Y means it's completed. Blank or no would be active. Okay, Y, the Y status or completed status indicates that it's been completely shipped out, or manually marked as completed if the job, for example, returned unfinished, or not unfinished. Basically, return the job to the customer without doing any work to it. You can manually override and say mark it as completed. But for this example, you have the option of searching by job number if you know the job number. Like I said, 1048. The other option is to look up by purchase order number. Oftentimes, the customer would call in and say, "Okay, what is the status of my order with this purchase order number?" And the purchase order number that we used for this one was P. So as soon as you type in the P, now if you scroll to the right, you will see that it has the lot number, PO number. So it's P123, and there's multiple POs with that in the system with that number, but we want to find out the one for control manufacturing. So if you type in P123, again, it's highlighted on the P123 here under this column, PO number, but you can scroll down and find out, okay, it's for control manufacturing. Or you can do it by company. You can do, okay, we know the company is control manufacturing. You can type in control, C-O-N, I'm sorry, right there, control, and there's one right there, control manufacturing. If, let's say, in this example here, you have multiple job orders for Benson & Benson. So let's see, how do you find the latest one for that company? And the technique that we use is you type in the company name, Benson, okay? And to get to the end of the Benson list, I type in the letter Z because it's sorted in alphabetical order. So by typing Benson Z, you can see that it goes to the next company beyond Benson & Benson. So you can say, okay, when was the last time we received the work in for Benson & Benson? It's right there. And so that's another technique of being able to go through a long list of parts or job orders for using company as a key search field. From this lookup screen, you do have the option to also print. In other words, if you select the part that or the job order that you want to reprint, for whatever reason you need additional paperwork to go with the part, you simply highlight it. You don't have to go back into the edit screen. From here, you can click on print, and again, you would have the same print options as previously shown, where you can select or unselect to include barcode or blueprint or schematic. And in this example, I'll just go ahead and preview, and sure enough, it's the same job order preview screen that we showed you earlier. So that concludes the ability to look up by part number, by company, and by job number.